Hey guys, today we're building the best bang for the buck gaming PC as cheap as possible off of Facebook Marketplace. So before jumping right in, subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and watch till the end for the giveaway details. And of course, I have 4 more PC builds coming up, so stay tuned for those. So jumping right in, I had 3 requirements for this PC. 1, it had to be no pre-built shit. This is going to be a custom gaming PC. 2, it had to run some modern games and focus on esports. And 3, not catch fire. So for parts, we got this BioStar motherboard with an FX 4350 we picked up for just 30 bucks. And this should honestly get the job done. And then for graphics, we picked up an RX 560 used. So this just cost me 25 bucks and should be more than enough to get started playing some games decently. For the storage and RAM, I got this WD Blue 1TB drive with 8GB of RAM for just 25 bucks. I did preload this drive with Windows 10 ahead of time, so I would have it all set. The case is some cheap black garbage can with some red accents and some red LED fans up front, but it gets the job done and looks better than generic Dell case, and it came with 350 watt generic power supply for just 30 bucks. So the total cost of this desktop is just 110 bucks for all the parts, and honestly it's not too bad for price. So with the power supply already installed and the wires mostly ran, this was honestly a really fast build, and it all went together quite easily. And I kinda expected something to be wrong, because this was going way too smooth. But the hard drive does have Windows 10 installed, so all I had to do was put everything in and power it up. So now it's all together. Let's see if it powers on or if I fucked it up. Oh shit. So I had the power supply off and now it seems to be working, I think. So now that we know it powers on and works for now, let's jump into some benchmarks and see how this performs and if it explodes or not.
Found the biohazard container. They will attempt to locate it during the assault.
Oh, let's break it! Damn!
So honestly, I think this was a really decent build, especially for the price. And if you look around, you can really find some good deals on Facebook Marketplace. And for someone who's just looking into getting started or just want to play some esports game or some easier to run games and not looking to run the newest AAA games, this would be a perfect build for them. And of course this was just fun to find all the parts off of Facebook Marketplace. So we are doing a Steam key giveaway, and Monday we're going to be picking the first winner, but we still have 5 more keys to give away. So if you want to enter, just subscribe, like, and leave a comment with what you think about this build, and you'll be entered in for the next giveaway. And thanks for watching as always. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully see you in the next one. Have a good one.